Hello student, after long break we are meeting again. Yesterday I had already posted the syllabus that we are going to study during this year. In this syllabus we are going to study different 5 units. The first unit is reproduction, second unit is genetics and evolution, the third unit is biology and human welfare, the fourth unit is biotechnology and its application, the fifth unit is ecology and environment. So in this topic or in this year you are going to study total 15 topics which are divided into different 5 sections. The topics which I am going to discuss with you during this whole year are total 8 topics. The topic number 2, reproduction in lower and higher animal, in which in short we are going to study the asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, how it is taking place in lower animals as well as higher animal, in detail concerned with the human reproduction, the different steps or the processes which are taking place during the reproduction in case of human. Then we are going to study the reproductive health. Along with this, the different terminologies which are used concerned with reproduction, such as amniocentesis, MTP, IVF technique, ZIP, GIP, or what is the meaning of stem cell, etc. The next topic is topic number 3, inheritance and variation, in which in short we are going to study about the chromosome, chromosomal theory, structure of chromosome, types of chromosome, chromosomal inheritance, and how the sex determination it is taking place in different animals. Along with this, we are going to study the different syndromes which are causing due to the aberration in case of chromosomes. Then the next topic is topic number 5, origin. The next topic is topic number 5, origin and evolution of life, in which we are going to study how the origin of the life takes place, the different theories concerned with the origin of the life, as well as in short we are going to study what is the organic evolution, what is the biological evolution, chemical evolution, as well as the different scientists which put forward their views, such as the Darwinism, or the different terms we are going to use concerned with the origin as well as evolution of life. What is the connecting link? What is the different types of the terminologies that we are using? What is the geological time scale? And in short, we are going to study how the evolution it is taking place in case of human being. In human being, the evolution it divides into the different 4 stages, and the different stages are there that in detail we are going to study in evolution of life. Then the next topic is topic number 8, respiration and circulation. The respiration topic which was previously included in the 11th standard syllabus, but for you it was included in 12th standard, in which in short we are going to study the respiratory system in case of human being and the different disorders associated with the respiratory system. Along with this, the topic that we are going to study is the circulation, in which in short we are going to study the structure of heart, composition of blood. Along with this, the different terminologies concerned with the circulation, what is the meaning of blood pressure, which apparatus that we are using for measuring the blood pressure, or as well as the what is the ECG, how the ECG it is used, and the different terminologies as well as the different disorders associated with circulation. Along with this, in short, we are going to study the lymphatic system also. Then the next topic is topic number 9, which is nothing but control as well as coordination. In this topic, we are going to study the 2 systems together. Control, it is nothing but the nervous system, and coordination, it is nothing but the endocrine system. So in control, in short, we are going to study the structure of brain, spinal cord, reflex action, as well as the sense organ, that is the structure of eye as well as ear. And in coordination, we are going to study in short the endocrine system, that is nothing but the different endocrine glands which are responsible for release of hormone for controlling the normal functioning of our body. These glands are nothing but pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pancreas are there, thymus is there. Then we are going to get testes, ovaries, as well as the different types of the endocrine cells which are present in digestive system, as well as the different organs and the different disorders associated with all these different glands. Then the next topic, which is it is nothing but the topic number 10, human health as well as diseases. In human health, in short, we are going to study the immune system of our body. Nowadays also, as we are taking a long break due to the COVID-19 or due to the corona, you had heard about the immunity, you had heard about the pratikar shakti, ती आपल्याला वाढवायला पाहिजे. सो हाऊ दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू इन्क्रीज दिस, व्हॉट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ दॅट इम्युन सिस्टीम, how the immune system play the important role in our body, that in short we are going to study in human health. Two types of the immunities are present in our body. These are nothing but the inborn immunity as well as acquired immunity. This immunity, it is acquired by our body with the help of the lymphocytes which are present in our blood cells, which are responsible for release of antibodies which fight against the different types of the antigens or the foreign material which are invading in our body. And these antigens, antibodies are also responsible for determination of the blood groups also. So that also in short we are going to study in human health. And the next part of that topic, it is nothing but the different types of diseases. Pathogens are responsible for causing the different types of diseases. These pathogens are nothing but the different types of the fungi are there, different types of the protozoans, bacteria are there, viruses are there. So in short, we are going to study the different diseases which are nothing but the malaria may be there, amoebiasis may be there, or typhoid is there, pneumonia is there, different cancer is there, AIDS is there. So there, in short, their detailed information that we are going to get in this topic, that is nothing but the different types of the diseases. And the last part of this topic, it is nothing but the adolescence, the period in which at present you are there. So what is the meaning of adolescence, how we can overcome the adolescence, the effect of adolescence, as well as the different types of the problems that the all the students they are facing during this adolescence. That is nothing but addiction to the different substances, maybe cigarette smoking may be there, alcohol may be there, or the different types of the drug addiction may be there. So that in short we are going to study in topic number 10, human health as well as diseases. Then the next two topics are from the ecology as well as environment. The topic number 13, organism as well as population. In population, we are going to study concern with the different terms. We are going to use concern with the population. Maybe natality, maybe mortality, or other different types of the terms that we are using concern with population. Different types of the interactions, different types of the adaptations that we are going to find concern with organism. That in short we are going to study in organism as well as population. And the last topic, it is nothing but biodiversity, conservation and the environmental issue, in which in short we are going to study what is the biodiversity, importance of the biodiversity, why the conservation of biodiversity nowadays it is important, and the different types of the environmental issues which are associated with the conservation of the biodiversity. Why? Because nowadays due to the industrialization, due to the many other things, the pollution goes on increasing, which is responsible to cause the different types of the environmental issues. So these are the different topics that we are going to study during this year, which are nothing but, again I am going to repeat it, reproduction in lower and higher animals, inheritance as well as variation, origin and evolution of life, respiration and circulation, control and coordination, human health and diseases, organisms as well as population, biodiversity conservation and the environmental issue, which we are going to complete during this year. The topic that I am going to start from my next lecture, it is nothing but the very simple topic as well as the very important topic from your exam point of view is the circulation. So that I am going to discuss with you during my next lecture. Thank you.